What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today, me and Creeper are fighting blaze rods. Somehow we're gonna make an automatic oh, I see my food, bro. Ow, ow.
Bro, I almost died.
Bro, I'm eating and not doing my shield. I'm eating and not doing my shield.
What the heck? What the heck?
I was eating and not doing my shield.
That's weird.
I never done that before, and you should not do that as well. And look, my sword is almost out. My shield is almost out.
Just one for it.
Woo!
Oh, I got bones, guys. I got bones. I got bones.
Oh, in last video I said that Creeper had 27 levels. Now he has like 0.
No.
Or he can't see them.
Yeah, because I'm kind of glad. And I'll try and make a video.
Yeah, he will try to make a video. Because I got way more videos than he does. So.
Shut up, guys.
I'm running for it. I'm running for it. I'm running for it. Ah! See? They all are. No, 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 no.
He died, boy.
Because the top is very hard, and then I could just do this. That's simple. But if I move around, it just goes like all over again.
That's funny. That is funny.
Sorry, I was fixing my headset. Hopefully that they didn't burn.
That is
Okay, they're
so
safe.
funny.
Ow! 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 I need
You
blocks.
need what?
I need blocks.
You need what?
Hang on, guys. Sorry, guys. I just had to fix my mic there. But, Creeper, can I have some blocks?
Oh, you died, bro.
Can I have some blocks, Creeper?
I don't have any blocks.
You don't have any blocks?
No.
Hang on. Let me do /path. Bro, do not hit me, Creeper. What the heck?
Stop.
Bro, I'm trying to teleport. I did not mean to do that. I just hit Creeper off the edge. I did not mean to hit Creeper off the edge. Oh my gosh. Please don't explode. I worked so hard on those villagers. I'm gonna go sleep in Creeper's bed.
No, you better not.
Yes, I better. Or no,
Oh, my
I'm sleeping.
armor blow! My armor fell in lava!
No, I'm so sorry.
You dummy!
I'm so sorry, Creeper. Alright, guys.
Oh, I worked so hard on that.
I'll get him new armor. I'll get him new armor. I'm not that mean. I'm not that mean. I'll give him new armor. Obviously diamond, cause.
Yes, diamond.
Okay, fortress.
Now I lost.
Okay, I'm gonna flow these eggs at him. No, no, I had it. 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 Bro, I had it. They aren't really spawning. Bro, I died. Okay. Okay. So yeah.
Dude, that almost a space save.
Okay. Yeah, I will get you new armor, Creeper. At least you got your boots.
Yo, no. No.
Bro. Bro, place it in the middle. Okay, guys, we succeeded. Now we just have to kill this guy. Good. Don't really have any stuff, so I don't care if I die. Yo, he's about to fire. If he lights up like that, that means he's about to fire. And I'm about dead. But I killed him. And then I died.
You killed him?
Yeah, I killed him. Oh, Creeper got some horse saddles. Okay, / fortress. Horse armor. Yo, they more spawned? Guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. Whoa. Kinda got his stuff.
Wow, do not get my level!
I did not mean to.
I don't know how more I'm spawning, but we need to do this.
Alright, they're all spawning.
We need to, like, do this kind of fast. Like, we need to break this and put...
We're gonna have to talk to Creeper. We're probably gonna have to do something. They're spawning from the top, so we need, like, deep slate. Ah! We need deep slate.
Go get me more armor now. Like, right now.
No.
Right now, bro? Right now. Actually.
Creeper wants me to get more armor now. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to figure out...
I chickens. We'll play cows.
Kill my cows, I could get more cows. Kill my chickens, I could get more chickens.
I think they're all good. I got deep sleep.
Alright. Alright, hit me one deep slate.
I can do it.
Alright. Let me go ahead and break it, maybe.
Oh my. Whoa.
I'm dead. Oh man. This is exciting. This is actually exciting. This is actually way fun. Oh! Creeper's dead. Not dead yet, but like on fire.
Get back in your home.
Okay, I broke it. Alright, now Creeper has to place it.
I did it.
You placed it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have to kill all of them. But if this works. Oh shoot, I hear a
No, don't
Yes.
go in there. My stuff is in there. Hold on.
Oh! I did not go in there though.
Oh my gosh. Boy, you pushed me in love!
Sorry. Oh. Says you were walked into something. What is that? Walked into fire. Oh. Walked into fire.
You have to give me boots too.
I will get you full diamond armor. I've done this once before, guys. I know how it ends.
Wait, no. You don't. You just
There's
have to
food in...
a chest plate. And boots.
Sorry.
And not boots. Oh my gosh.
I'm dead. I died.
Calling James Mills.
That is just our friend. That is
So one of the
just
customers you
our
are calling is
friend.
stop.
That was James is just our friend. No.
That's his name.
Ow! I don't really have anything, so I could die. No, I died. I died. I died. I died. Or I could get a sword. I'm probably gonna get a sword. I got Mantis' sword. This is Mantis. Like, they share two accounts. Two people sharing on two accounts. Kinda like DC and Z did for a while, but okay. Now I have to go get Mantis's. We have to think up two names for them. Kinda like Green did for us. So, yeah. Comment down below what they should be. Their names are.
You just have to give me pants, chest plate, and the helmet.
Just so you know, this is hard, so, really hard. Like, you don't know how hard it is.
What do you mean how hard it is?
I mean, if you aren't that good at Minecraft, you should not do this. But me and Creeper, on the other hand, we're good. Even Green said we're getting good.
Oh my gosh.
I think more is spawning. Yeah, more is definitely spawning. We're gonna have to talk to Green about this, guys. But he might have to help us make it an automatic. Oh my gosh. Or I have an idea.
What is it?
But we would have to block them off for a little bit. So we're gonna have to talk to Green. If he can help us block it off. But I'm just gonna get that and just go back to my base. So that is probably about it for today's video.
Do it yourself!
You should not do this yourself unless you have someone there. That is pretty good.
Guys, do it yourself.
Oh my gosh.
Give me diamond armor. Don't stop.
Bro, I'm lagged. Bro, no, I was underneath, I was above lava. I mean, flame. I was above a flame. So yeah, comment down below if you want to see us fight in the arena that I'm building. I showed you guys in the last video, so go check it out. Also, if you're new here, like, subscribe, post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.